In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rotate 180 degrees in Lightroom using the fastest and easiest methods. This is a super simple editing trick, but it can save you time whenever a photo is upside down or needs a full flip to the correct orientation. If you enjoy quick Lightroom tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful editing tips. Alright, let's get straight into it. The first method is the fastest one, and it uses a keyboard shortcut in Lightroom Desktop. Open Lightroom and select the photo you want to rotate. Now, if you want to turn the image 180 degrees, press Ctrl and the right bracket key twice. Each press rotates the photo 90 degrees, so pressing it twice gives you a full 180-degree rotation. If your keyboard shortcut works the opposite way in your setup, you can also press Ctrl and the left bracket key twice for the same result. This is the easiest option when you want to make the change quickly without using any menus. Now let's look at another method using the crop tool. Open your photo, then click the crop icon in the editing panel. Once the crop tool is open, look for the rotate button. Click it twice and each click will rotate the photo 90 degrees. 2 clicks equals 180 degrees, so this gives you the same result if you prefer using the mouse instead of the keyboard. This method is also helpful if you're already adjusting the crop and want to rotate the image at the same time. A quick tip, if your photo looks slightly off after rotating, you can also fine-tune the crop afterward so the composition stays clean and centered. That's really all there is to it. Whether you use the shortcut or the crop tool, rotating 180 degrees in Lightroom only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Lightroom editing videos, and I'll see you in the next one.